Hello and welcome back to our channel. A heat gun is as simple as watts. The more watts, the more heat. So, in today's video, we present our findings from our analysis of the top heat guns of 2024. Watch till the end, and you will know how to spend less and look for the finest offers you can. Team Z. Everything you need for professional or home renovation jobs is included in this shrink wrap heat gun kit. To assist you in your home decor or renovation projects, it comes with a putty knife, deflector, concentrator, reflector, and carbon-burning nozzles in addition to a fast-heating hot air cannon. In order to keep your heat gun set tools organized and portable, it also includes a protective case. It comes equipped with a UL USA and Canada certified cable and plug, which ensures that it will last you for many years. Even after using your heat gun for hours, it will continue to cool down more quickly thanks to a 10-second delayed turn-off feature with a countdown display. It will contribute to the heat gun's longer lifespan. Overall, there are numerous uses for this high-quality shrink-tubey heat gun. This powerful heat pistol is ideal for a variety of tasks, such as thawing pipes, loosening fasteners, removing wallpaper and paint from furniture, and fixing phones. AcmyslaT. With precise engineering, AcmyslaT Heat Guns offer unparalleled performance and durability. It offers two temperature settings, from 572 degrees F to 932 degrees F. Additionally, the substance that this hot air cannon employs is suited to quickly cool down heated material. This heat gun has an overload protector to prevent circuit and solder heat gun damage. Plus, this gun also offers a stainless steel air exit and a premium ABS plastic shell, both of which are protected by an extremely durable casing. The all-copper motor, fan, mica board, and oxidation heating wire have a long service life and are resistant to corrosion and high temperatures. However, the handle's precise ergonomic design guards against musculoskeletal diseases and repeated strain injuries. 4 multi-purpose nozzles are added, attachments that can be used for a variety of tasks, such as thawing pipes, heating PVC, removing rusted bolts, painting, cell phone repairs, shrink wrapping, epoxy resin, shrink tubing, and other heating or thawing purposes. PRULDE HG0240 US. This PRULDE variable temperature control heat gun, HG0240, is a do-it-yourself tool that can be used in the home to remove paint, bend PVC pipe or plastic, shrink wrap or tube, thaw frozen pipes, soften caulk and adhesives, defrost pipes, and more. Its cutting-edge heating motor allows it to heat up quickly, up to 1202 degrees or 650 degrees C in just 1.5 seconds. Also, it has 2 fan speeds and 7 temperature settings, making it incredibly simple to change the temperature between 122 degrees and 1202 degrees to do a variety of jobs. To avoid harm, this integrated overload safeguard turns off the heating element. And to guarantee safe operation, this PRULDE heat pistol also includes UL certified wire that has passed testing and been recognized by ETL and UL standards. Because of its lightweight construction, 1.7 lbs, it can be used for extended periods of time without feeling fatigued, and makes use of a built-in stand for secure hands-free operation. Additionally, this heat shrink gun has 4 distinct nozzles that are perfect for bending plastic, thawing pipes, wrapping and shrinking vinyl, painting or removing floor tiles, epoxy resin, and crafts. TDAGRO. This TDAGRO heat gun has a powerful output in a compact design that is 20% smaller than competing models. The TDAGRO heat gun for crafts can reach a temperature of up to 1202 degrees Celsius in 1.5 seconds thanks to its 1800 W heating motor, which significantly improves project efficiency and saves time. Additionally, it has been upgraded to a resin heat gun with 7 variable temperature settings and 2 fan settings. This means that users can quickly modify the temperature to achieve a wide range of operations, from as low as 122 degrees to as high as 1202 degrees. Heat guns are more steady because to their integrated hands-free stand, which also helps to lessen user fatigue from prolonged use. And here, it even has an overload safeguard to prevent harm to the electronic circuits and heat gun. TaskStar. This TaskStar Heat Shrink Gun is more affordable than others. It features an output power of up to 2000 W, an input voltage of 110 V, and an overheat prevention feature that, in the event of an overload, quickly cuts heating to avoid any safety risks. The directed nozzle allows users to guide hot air to specific regions that need to be dried or heated, which further improves operational safety. Even better, it satisfies international standards and has gained UL certification, guaranteeing excellent quality and longevity. The package includes a hot air cannon in addition to other attachments like bent, flat, and duckbill nozzles, 4 sections, a long flat nozzle, and a scraper to accommodate different user needs. On top of that, users can modify the 2 preset temperature and airflow settings of this heat gun, 300 mid 50 dig 250L and 600 dig 500L, to suit their needs. BATAVIA PLD2382S. For all tool enthusiasts, the BATAVIA 2-in-1 1500W professional heat gun is a more stable and practical option. It can be transformed into the second shape, open the bracket, and stand on the workstation to free hands. It can also be used handheld or stand alone upside down on the workbench. With so many uses, this hot air cannon is user-friendly. The body details and handle adhere to the ergonomic design principle. As well, the heat gun can heat up quickly thanks to the high-quality motor that powers it and offers steady performance. Its integrated overheating protection guarantees dependable and secure operation. And here, it has got 3 temp settings and comes equipped with 4 nozzles and 3 scrapers, making it for shrinking wrap, varnish and paint removing, BBQ igniting, fireplace lighting, house decorating, home improvement, upcycling, thawing frozen pipes, loosening rusted bolts, bending pipes, and more. That's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed our video. Hey, subscribing is fun. So, to receive updates on our most recent videos, please subscribe, like, and click the bell icon. Thank you for watching.